Crypto King is not a financial advisor.
Family, what's going on today? Well, today what's going on with me, I'm going to check out the inside of this apartment that I came into contact with. I'm gonna check it out and make sure it has all of the necessities that I need, because the end of the year is up, so that means my current lease is up. I don't want to renew it because I want to experience another neighborhood in the city, and on top of that, now that I've been here for almost a year, I know that what I paid, while it was still good for me coming from where I came from, I know I could get a little bit cheaper. So I'm going to pursue this avenue and see, hopefully I can end my search today. But if not, you know, there's other options and stuff, and we'll continue on with it. But hopefully we struck some gold and we can end the search today. So we'll see how everything goes. And you know how we do it on this channel. You know, we're gonna talk some crypto. You're gonna get some crypto education, and you're gonna see these barrios that I be walking through sometimes on a week-to-week basis. So hey, thank you for tuning in again, and then enjoy the walk with me.
Welcome, family, and thank you for tuning in today. Today, I want to talk to you about what is technical analysis. Okay, so technical analysis is what you see a lot of these people that's on YouTube and other financial platforms talking about, you know, the stock market, crypto markets, and whatever else you can invest in, and how they get good reads on where to tell you when to get in and get out. But in short, technical analysts, they believe that human psychology is what drives the market. Human emotions like fear and greed follow surprisingly common patterns, and with the right analysis and the use of the candlestick charts, they can often be predicted. So technical analysis has proven to be a powerful trading tool, but there are other factors that you need to keep in mind when developing a trading strategy, like tokenomics, network activity, use case, the development team, notable partnerships, and macro indicators. So there are two types of analysis. There's fundamental analysis, and then there's technical analysis. Fundamental analysis evaluates the crypto market by attempting to measure the intrinsic values of the projects. Now, fundamental analysis studies everything from the overall economy and the industry conditions to the financial strength and management of the individual project itself. It is the process of measuring the value of the asset based on related economic or financial factors. Now, technical analysis differs from fundamental analysis in that traders attempt to identify opportunities by looking at statistical trends such as movements in stock or crypto prices and volume. The core assumption is that all known fundamentals are factored into the price, thus there is no need to pay close attention to them. The next thing that you read in fundamental or technical analysis are the candlesticks. When you see green, then that means the price has gone up. When you see red, that means the price has gone down. Each candlestick shows a snapshot of the trading activity within a given unit of time. For an example, you can have the chart set to 1 hour, and each candle will represent the prices during that 1 hour period, 4 hours, a day. You can even all the way do it down to a minute. So, but I would suggest doing it at the higher time frames, meaning the hour or the 4 hour or the day, and then that'll give you a better look at the candlestick price action. Trading volumes. Now, factoring into trading volumes is essential and it's good for technical analysis. Each volume bar that you see at the bottom of a trading window shows you the amount of an asset that has been traded during a period of time you set. As a general rule, you want to be trading on the market that has lots of volume. Low volume tends to lead to price volatility, meaning the price could suddenly spike up or down. You want to pay attention to patterns. Patterns, when traders draw lines on candlesticks charts, they're usually looking for three things. First, they're looking for the support, and this refers to the lower limit of where the price of an asset could go. Second, they're looking for the resistance, which refers to the upper limit. And then third, they're recognizable price patterns. There are many ways to assess their support and resistant prices, but it could be more and more often that they will not reveal recognizable price patterns. So more indicators that you would have would be, there are hundreds of different indicators in these types of analysis. But here's some common indicators. Moving averages. So this determines the average price of an asset over a given period of time. So you might hear someone say 50-day moving average or the 200-day moving average. That's what they're talking about. The MACDs, and this is called a moving average convergence divergence. And this is used to determine the new trends in a price and measure price volatility. The RSI, or the relative strength index. This tells you if the cryptocurrency is over or undervalued. And the Bollinger Bands. Like the MACDs, the Bollinger Bands are used to measure market volatility. So these are all the things that you need to know about fundamental and technical analysis, and hopefully that you have taken some notes so that way you could stay informed about the different uses that you can use to be able to, determine when you're going to be able to get into or invest into a project of your choosing. So hopefully this information helps you, and remember, you can always run this back and play it again just in case you miss something.
Well, family, look like I'm about maybe 10 minutes away from the destination walking. So it turned into about maybe a 30-minute walk from where I'm located now to where I'm going. So, I like that. That's a good thing. So that means it's in good proximity. Turned into a little exercise for me and stuff like that. And as y'all know I like to exercise. I'll walk anywhere. So, everything is bueno y hora. La clima es más o menos. Es it's no caliente, pero it's no frío. It's just bueno y tranquilo. So, tú visitas a Bogotá y tú escuchar sobre la clima es no bueno, it's mentes. So anyway, let me see where I'm at. Okay, across the street with the cars coming, because you will get hit. So you still got to pay attention to all of your surroundings while you're around here. But anyway, I love this city. Getting ready to go into a so-called 2022 New Year. And we'll see what that all brings. I've done a whole lot in the year 2021 to advance the cause of crypto knowledge and things like that. So hopefully those of you who've been following the channel, you were able to at least start to build a foundation of knowledge to be able to invest wisely. Because that's the whole point of the channel. But then, you get to see a regular everyday life from the Crypto King. So that's always good. And, stay tuned for more in 2022. How you like the new format, man? We got a new format on Learn Crypto TV. That's the new channel name, new format. And we just gonna be breaking down cryptos from week to week, what you can invest in, accumulate, swing trade, short-term, long-term investments, all of that. And also introducing you to projects that you may not have heard about that has awesome utility. You understand? Because you don't want to invest in a crypto project that doesn't have some type of utility. If it doesn't have a utility, it's probably not good. So invest in cryptos that's gonna looks like or stands a chance to be around for the long term or the long haul. But anyway, let me get focused because I don't want to miss where I'm going. And yeah, check this out.
Getting started with Bitcoin technical analysis or crypto technical analysis, you want to use a platform that provides a reliable and advanced tools for you to be able to do the technical analysis. In my research, I suggest using TradingView. So you can go to tradingview.com and you can set up a free account, and that way you can track those crypto projects that you want. Obviously, they have paid tiers and you can track more cryptos via technical analysis or fundamental analysis. But TradingView would be my suggestion for you to be able to, start using and looking at the charts and the candlesticks and watching everything that we talked about early in the program. So also, Binance, they are backed by Binance, the TradingView, and a few other exchanges as well, Coinbase. So this is where you can, as a beginner, get started with crypto technical analysis. Well, family, just to conclude the subject of technical and fundamental analysis, please know that cryptocurrency trading is definitely an exciting market and one that you should be involved in. However, it is important for you to understand that the cryptocurrency market is something that you have to research before you begin trading. If you're interested in getting started with trading, you can check out my programming that I have on Mondays and Fridays, where we talk about different cryptos via technical analysis and fundamental analysis, as well as you can go down in the description box and check out my link for tradingview.com to begin your own charting and technical analysis learning ability for trading in the cryptocurrency market. So thank you for tuning in and listening, and we'll catch you on the next episode with more crypto knowledge.
Well, family, so I've located, the location of the apartment. I got a 4:30 appointment, but it's a little bit ahead of time. I try to be early. Colombians, they move on what they call back in the States CP time. So those of whom who know what that is, you understand what I'm talking about. But anyhow, that's how Colombians move. But anyway, it just gives me an opportunity to go find me some lunch, get something to eat. But yeah, man, the apartment building, it looked like it's located in a nice little area of the city where I'm gonna enjoy, because there's a lot of stuff to do. As you can see, it's a lot of motion. It's on a busy avenue. I got my bike path so that I can bring my bicycle over here, jump on the bike path and go in any direction. It's still kind of center in the city a little bit. It's about a good 35-40 minute walk from where I'm located now, but it's okay. It's not a big deal because I know this area of town. So hopefully this will be the final trigger for me, and then I'll be able to go ahead and make my move finally after all of these weeks of trying to locate a good apartment. But we'll see how it work out. But in the meantime, I'm trying to figure out what I want to eat because there's so many choices just standing right here on the corner trying to figure out what I want. So we'll see how this turns out, and then go ahead and take a look at this apartment. Well, this is what I end up choosing right here. We're gonna try out this little Mexican spot right here. I don't know what it is about the Mexican food here in Colombia, but it seems to be pretty good. And you know, the menu right here, you can see it's pretty good. Got some good prices and stuff like that. So yeah, this is what I chose to go ahead and eat, you know, while I sit here and wait on my little 4:30 appointment. So check out, you know, what the place or the establishment has in store. Yeah, family, so that looked tasty, don't it? That's a lot of food. You know what I mean? For 18,000 pesos, man. I'll show you the menu in a second. But yeah, it looked real good. I'm about to chow down over here in a minute, and then I'll go over here and check out, and we'll go look at the apartment in a second. All right, family, so coming to the apartment now that I'm looking at, and yeah, man, I'm kind of impressed here. A little small kitchen and everything. Got the 4 eyes on the stove, you know, and all of this. And I'll probably get to negotiate, you know, some of the furniture in here and stuff like that to see what's going on. But I like this part right here, man. I get to open up a window and look outside, enjoy. If it's raining, I don't know, all of that's cool, you know, right here from the comfort of the living room and the kitchen area. So let's go take a look at one of the bedrooms here. So this bedroom, it comes here with the bathroom inside, and you know, obviously somebody's living here, but they're moving. So, and this is how it's set up in here. Hopefully I can get this person to sell me this desk. And downstairs, you have a window right here in the room overlooking parts of the city. And a little bar downstairs. And you know, the internet and all that. Let's go check out the other room. So, in here is the other restroom for the room. And then we have a closet area made up, and the bed area made up here, and another view outside in the window. And you can look down, see it's a little, I guess a cafe or something right there. And another nice view from the room. So yeah, this here is actually the setup of the person who is looking to vacate, and that is the beauty of the apartment. So there you have it. There you have it, family. So, you know, there's an apartment view. I'm definitely very, very interested in this apartment. It's everything that I need. It's tucked away. You know, you just can't get to me easily, and it has enough room in here for me, and you know, and I can set up everything that I need to do inside of here, and you know, and I still get the nice city views and ambiance of Bogota here and stuff like that. So, you know, I'm getting ready to go upstairs and go check out the other amenities in the building and see what they has to offer here. And yeah, that'll end the tour after that. So we just took a little trek up the stairs all the way up here, man. And yeah, at the top of the building, got a nice little patio up here. You can barbecue, and then you can see behind me, it's just like a bunch of area that you can come chill, man. But check out what's in front of me though. Wow. Isn't that something? Yeah, family, I think I found what I'm looking for, man. I think I found what I'm looking for. So now it's just about getting the documents and stuff like that together. I'm just trying to pan this around so y'all can get a good view of, once I get everything taken care of, what it'll be like for me and what I'll be looking at on a day-to-day basis. And you can see down below, you know, kind of cool up here, the wind blowing and everything. But so yeah, family, so what you have to do, you know, when you come to, you know, rent an apartment like this, you know, first of all, you got to show proof of income, you know. So I'm able to do that because I teach English here as well, and that's what helps me to keep my visa. So you have to show proof of income. Second, you have to have somebody, you know, preferably a Colombian, who will be able to basically, if you, in the event that you can't pay rent here, you know what I mean, that they'll be able to pay it. So it's like a kind of like a cosigner in America, you know. So you need one of those. You need one of those here in Colombia to do the apartment rentals, and then from there, you know, make the documents and the contract with the person that you are actually doing the business with. So, you know, those three things are going to be the most important things that you have to deal with when you're doing your apartment search and trying to figure out, you know, where it is that you want to live. But it's going to be based off of also, you know, the type of living that you're going to do or that you want to live. You know, this apartment building, what I found now, and my amigo now, Diego, he basically it's in a good area of town, safe area of town, a lot of stuff that you can do, and you know what I mean. So you pay for, you get what you pay for at the end of the day. So, you know, like I said, I'm impressed. I'm happy that I waited for this long. I probably won't be in here for maybe a couple of weeks because, you know, obviously logistics has to take place. You know, one move out, somebody move in. So what's going to probably end up happening is where I live at right now, I'll probably extend my stay another 2 weeks. Don't really want to, but you know, to get what I have right now, then I'm willing to do that. So but yeah, family, that'll conclude the apartment search today. So I'll be back down on the street, and we'll see y'all on the next episode, man. And remember, hodl your Bitcoin. Don't get caught up in the fear, uncertainty, and doubt of what you see the market's doing right now. All right? So we'll see you on the next episode, man. Ciao.